Here at the College of Business and Technology, our career development team is here to support you in your professional goals. We help you with skill building workshops, mentorship opportunities, internship, and job placements, and we're dedicated to help you succeed.
The Professional Mentorship Program connects students with seasoned professionals in their fields. These mentors provide guidance, advice, and encouragement to students as they transition from college to career. By carefully matching mentors and mentees based on their goals and interests, we create relationships that truly prepare students for success.
Beyond mentorship, students can partake in career building opportunities such as corporate visits, interactive resume workshops, LinkedIn and handshake optimization, and as well as professional networking events throughout the year. And this is just the beginning because we're always building something new.
To our employer partners, we would like to collaborate with you and engage our students in meaningful ways. Programs that we offer include mentorship, informational interviews, potentially job shadowing, and of course we're always looking for internship opportunities for our undergraduate and graduate students. The types of things that students should participate in, you can assist us so that they have a brighter future. We look forward to helping you help us to create tomorrow's leaders.
Your journey starts here. Visit us at CBT 184 to connect with Career Development Team to take the next step forward.